East Africa is worldly famous for lions, elephants, and giraffes. But hidden in the trees, swamps, and savannas are some of the strangest, most unbelievable birds you'll ever see. Today we are counting down 15 strange birds of East Africa you never knew exist. Number 1 is incredible. Stick around to the end of the video. Hammerkop. This odd little brown bird has a head shaped like, yes, a hammer. But what makes it strange is its abnormal obsession with building giant nests, sometimes bigger than a car tire. And guess what? They build several nests every single year, not just one. Talk of a real estate addict of the wild. Secretary bird. Imagine a hawk that puts on cowboy boots. That's the secretary bird. Standing nearly 1.5 meters tall, it hunts snakes by stomping them down to death. Elegant, deadly, and just a little bit terrifying. Shoebill stork. The shoebill stork has a massive shoe-shaped beak, strong enough to snap a baby crocodile in half. And with its slow movements, it's often called the statue bird. Creepy, right? Lilac-breasted roller. This bird looks painted by an artist who couldn't decide which color to use. Blue, purple, green, lilac, you name it. And during courtship, it performs acrobatics in the air, roaring like a stunt pilot. Nature's very own air show. Long-tailed widowbird. The male widowbird grows a ridiculously long tail during breeding season, sometimes up to half a meter. But here's the twist. The longer the tail, the more attractive he is to females. Even if flying becomes a heavy burden, love is blind, right? Great blue turaco. With its bright blue, green, and yellow feathers, the great blue turaco looks like a carnivore bird. But here's the fun fact. Locals in East Africa will sometimes call it lucky bird. Seeing one is believed to bring blessings and good luck. Strange, colorful, and spiritual. African open-bill stork. This stork has a beak that doesn't close properly. It stays gapped open. Weird, right? Vulturine guinea fowl. This bird looks like dressed up for a rock concert or a wedding. Electric blue feathers, bare vulturine-like head, and a long cloak of striped plumes. They are social, moving in large flocks like a feathery army. Saddle-billed stork. If there's a bird with makeup goals, this is it. A giant stork with a bill painted in red, yellow, and black, like an African tribal mask. But don't be fooled with the beauty. It's a powerful hunter of fish and frogs. African jacana. These tiny birds are also called Jesus birds. Yes, you heard me right. Jesus birds. Why? Because they look like they are walking on water. With extra long toes, they can spread their weight across floating leaves. Oh, and here's the twist. Male jacanas do the parenting. They incubate eggs and carry chicks under their wings like fluffy handbags. Marabou stork. This one wins no beauty contest. Bald head, scruffy feathers, and a huge inflammable throat pouch. It's often called the Undertaker bird. But as nature's cleanup crew, they are essential scavengers. Speckled mousebird. These birds look like little mice with feathers. They huddle together in groups of up to 20, snuggling like a family. Strange? Yes. Adorable? Also yes. Abyssinian ground hornbill. This bird doesn't fly much. It walks the savannah like a turkey with a booming voice. The males have a big inflammable blue throat pouch. They use for loud calls that echo for miles. Eurasian hoopoe. Utterly unmistakable orange bird with his zebra-striped wings. Hoopoe is unforgettable. Its name even mimics its skull. Hoopoo! Hoopoo! Shoebill's cousin? Nope. It is the standard winged nightjar. And at number 1, the strangest of them all, the standard winged nightjar. During mating season, the male grows 2 absurdly long wing feathers that dangle like streamers. They look impractical, even ridiculous, but they mesmerize females. Nature's fashion runway, East African edition. So there you have it, 15 strange and wonderful birds of East Africa. Which one amazed you most? Let us know down below in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to Safarians Africa for more wild discoveries. And I'll see you in the next video. Ciao, ciao.